What's going on, squad? You guys know that I am all about transparency on this channel. There is some news. Dragon Door has given me an affiliate link. I am now an official affiliate of the ISO chain. Yo, what? Are you kidding me? Yo, I was so hyped. John Duquesne, everybody at Dragon Door, I'm super thankful of the opportunity, and I wanted to also share this with the squad and tell everyone about the good news. Now, this is going to mean a couple of things for the channel moving forward. One, I wanted to still be transparent and let everybody know. There is going to be an affiliate link now, so it should be in a description box when you scroll down. You should see a link where it says like, interested in grabbing the ISO chain. Click the link below, so you know, all that typical YouTuber stuff. So there's gonna be a link there. So now as an affiliate, I am going to get a percentage of that if someone clicks on my link. I wanted to let everybody know that. In the description box, you legally have to let people know that. But I want to tell everybody that for another reason. I am not the type of guy that's all about like money and like chasing money and stuff like that. Listen, in the future, I am still going to recommend that people build their own OG ISO chain. If you're new to the channel and you're not familiar with what the OG ISO chain is, here's a link. Here, check that out. I run the squad through how to make one, the materials that you need. You pretty much need to just go to a Home Depot or a local supply store or whatever and get the materials. You can make your own. I was also very thorough on that video in explaining that an OG ISO chain, even getting your own dynamometer, which is probably a stack, $1,000, adding that to your OG ISO chain isn't going to make it as good as a Dragon Door ISO chain. And I was saying that before being an affiliate because I already knew that the tech involved with the Dragon Door ISO chain is too good. It still is too good. It is just the superior product. Unless you know how to write code and tech and stuff, an OG ISO chain just as of right now, it's just not gonna touch the Dragon Door one. It is just worth the money. And I've also said the Dragon Door ISO chain price, the price is $500, guys. You know, I was kind of like, I don't know. Purchase, it's too late. I feel like a lot of us had that because $500, man, that's half $1,000, yo. It makes you think about the purchase, but even now, 7 months later, it's still one of the best fitness investments I've ever made in my entire life, as multiple people on the squad agree. Those who have purchased the ISO chain in the beginning are advocates or have purchased it because of the channel. Pretty much what I'm seeing in the comment sections and my email is that you guys all agree with that, which is awesome. I think that's great. What I think is even greater are the results that everyone's getting with the Dragon Door ISO chain. The Dragon Door ISO chain is just better, but I will never not say to build your own. Like I said, I want to be completely transparent. If you're saving up for the Dragon Door ISO chain or you are still on the fence to get into bar and chain isometrics with the overcoming isometric style of workout, build your own. But again, being transparent, it will not be the same. It will not be as good as the Dragon Door ISO chain. You're gonna be missing out on the isometric hypertrophy, holding the load for X amount of time. You're missing out on the time mode, the average mode, the load mode, the max mode, the technology behind it, all that stuff. It really does matter and it does add up, and that's why the cost is what it is, because dollar for dollar, pound for pound, wherever you live, the value is there. It does hold this value. It is totally worth every freaking penny, totally. One more thing. I am fortunate enough to have really good friends, and one of my clients is in the middle of working on my website for me. So it's going to be my personal training website where you can even get online training from me dynamically, meal plans, meal prep, all that fun stuff. You know, the typical personal training website, whatever that would entail normally. But I told him that one of the additional avenues that I would like to open up on there is to also do online ISO chain training. It would be a one-on-one virtual, kind of like this, but only one-on-one, so it's personalized. I'm running you through, will be linked up via Zoom or whatever avenue I feel will be the best, whether it's through an app or whatever is the most efficient tool to watch your form one-on-one. So that is coming soon, guys. When it does, I will drop a video letting everyone know. That really excites me. In the meantime, I just want to give us this update that your boy is an official ISO Chain affiliate now. I am now getting paid if someone clicks the link in the description box to go ahead and purchase the ISO Chain. And honestly, I couldn't have done this without us. No Limit Squad, it's a team effort. It's not just me. I'm not gonna take credit because I didn't do all this. We did all this. We did this. From October 5th, the first unboxing video, until today, we did this. We built this channel up, you know, and we're gonna continue to, as we all start to get even more ridiculous results and before and afters and interviews and more people getting excited about the chain, what it can do for us, collaborations in the future as more people start to realize what this thing really can do. Something I was thinking about was percentage of ISO Chain sold through my affiliate link, having some type of giveaway now. Again, guys, I'm 7 months into YouTube, but I don't know how this thing works yet. So if you guys are more familiar, if you want to drop it in the comment sections below, maybe help me out. We could link up via email. Email's in the description as well, and we can collaborate on how we can do a ISO Chain giveaway or whatever. I would totally be down for that. That would be freaking awesome. Like I said, this is a win for all of us. This is a win for all of us. So more options have now opened to us. Honestly, the sky's the limit, guys, and honestly, I couldn't have done this without you guys. So this is, like I said, there's no I in team. This is a we effort. Again, I really appreciate this. This is a video for us. This is a win for both of us. All right, guys, so I really wanted to thank you for that. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to drop a like, go ahead and comment. If you're not yet part of No Limit Squad, hit that subscribe button. Come join the squad with us. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.